Welcome to present trade tutorial on how to hatch coloring easily in your road drawing using AutoSign software. First, open your CAD software and go to AutoSign tab. To initiate the coloring, click on the color icon. A window will pop up. At the bottom of the window, select your desired color. For this tutorial, we'll use gray, commonly used for hatching. The first section deals with coloring within a closed line system. In the second section, you will color between two lines. First, use the button to select the initial line, known as the first edge, and click on the line where you want to begin the coloring. Then, define the second line by clicking the second button to select your end line. Then click OK. The software will automatically fill the space between the two defined edges. And that's how simple it is to apply hatch coloring to your road drawings with AutoSign software. Lastly, in the bounding points section, you can define 4 points between which the software will color. Click the designated button, set your 4 points, and the software will automatically apply the color within these boundaries. You can try it yourself. Contact us and get your free trial now.